Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Pit Barrel Cooker's 22.5-inch PBX with AmazingRibs.com's John Bowlesby. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the new full-size 22.5-inch diameter Pit Barrel PBX. Let's hang that lid right on the handle on the side here. We love Pit Barrel, and so do our readers. You hang meats from hooks on these bars. Let's take those out so you can see the guts here. Down below, of course, we have a grate. That's really optional though. Most people hang their meats from those bars. And of course, there's where your charcoal goes. And drippings drop down and sizzle, imparting a delicious aroma and flavor that everyone loves. And you can cook though on the grate down low if you want to try searing something, or up high, but be advised that will cut your capacity dramatically. And also just hanging the meats is effective and fun. Boy, you can get about 20 slabs of ribs in this big boy. It's great for parties, caterers, even restaurants. You're gonna wanna bang on this drum all day. Welcome to the Pit Barrel family, Mr. PBX. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.